Hi everyone, my name is Koffi. I'll talk you about TechPass. It's an assistant to make your transition to digital easier. So here we'll talk about Tradino. Tradino is a real estate agency. So the CEO just reported that they have a huge revenue loss. There is a lot of competition from real estate websites, software as a services, comparators, and estimators on websites. Sadly, John is an agent in his real estate company. John has 6 years experience, and he just knew that he lost his job, sadly. So he's searching, he's wondering what to do next. What are the next steps? There are very few leads regarding real estate job in the market, and the market is very tough. So John is looking for new options. What we know is about John is that he likes working in real estate, and he wants to use his experiences to help tech companies. And maybe he wants also to build his own company, his own software as a service. This is the solution that we have for John. It's TechPath. It's an assistant for career transitioning into tech. It's a platform to get all the information and advance your career into tech. So about the question that John can have, it's about orientation. Which digital career to pursue? What about training? What about coaching and mentoring? And also financing is very important. How to get finance, how to know about government helps. What is the solution? Our solution provides John with an accurate diagnosis, a in-depth analysis of his profile, a smart matching to new career jobs, a tailor-made courses to upskill himself, a network of experts, of coaches and mentors, and a concrete plan to go through his new career. So how does it work? First thing is registration, discovery about digital profession regarding his profile, a smart analysis about his skills to know what is his potential, and recommendation about new jobs, new training, coaching, and also a community to support him through his goal. Who is this platform for? So it's for people like John, who are retraining or in reconversion. It's for students and new graduates. It's for business and human resources that want to train their workforce. And it's also for schools and trainers for the cohorts. So how does the architecture of TechPass resembles? So we have, it's a web app, it's a SaaS. In this SaaS, we have a chatbot embedded. We provide recommendations, answer queries, collect feedback through our OpenAI model. We'll have tracing with Longsmith that help us gather all the information about the queries and refine our models. And we get a lot of data coming from various websites, government websites, that we store in our quadrant vector database. And a tool that we have is Stavely that make web searches to get, by example, some courses. So let's go to the demo. Okay, so here we can choose the language, English. We have a welcome. And first thing is the discovery phase. So we'll ask about John, what is his preferences? What is his preferred work of modes, like hybrid? Does he like work alone or in team? Let's see, boss. What level of autonomy does he want? a balance, and so on, so on. So we can go in depth into the customization. So what kind of problem he likes, strategic problems. And based on his answers, our model will give him two personas that will resemble his profile. So one of them is creative architect, is for people who are centered around designing, engaging, and harmonious experiences. Individual who fits this profile prefer careers that blend design, innovation, and user interaction. And also we have the visionary manager. So all these details are in our Conjure database. It's personas that we already embedded. And we can also ask John for his resume to get more information about his profile, his skills, and transfer to his new job. So it's analyzing the resume. Let's not forget that John is a real estate agent. And let's try again. I think we have internet problem. Let's go through the presentation and we'll come back in a few seconds to see if it works. Okay, so what are the next steps? The next step are to track the question and add more context, add more data into the embeddings, gather more feedbacks from the user. So the goal is to refine our model, to refine our answers. So we'll gather a lot of feedbacks from the users. Maybe go for a fine tune of the model to get more accuracy. Update also our prompting for Tavily searches to get very good courses coming for different websites. It can be Coursera, it can be EDX, and also test different retrieval techniques to see if we get more accurate retrievals.